box contains red, blue, and yellow beads. 1/4 of the beads are red, 2/9 of the remaining beads are blue. What fraction of the beads in the box are yellow? So what we know is red is represented by 1/4, and then there will be a remainder. Okay, so remainder will be 1 minus 1/4, that is 3/4. So 2/9 of the remainder are blue. 2/9 of the remainder. There will be 1/6 which are blue. So and the rest are of course yellow color. So yellow will just be 1 whole minus your red minus your blue. So 1 whole minus 1/4 is 3/4. 3/4 minus 1/6. You can make the denominator the same, so you can times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2, so that you get 12 at the denominator. So 9 minus 2 is 7 out of 12. What fraction of the beads are yellow? 7/12 of the beads are yellow.